The smell of charcoal dances in the air, carrying with it a sense of nostalgia and anticipation. It is a scent that speaks of stories untold, of meals shared and of moments savored. The smoke rises, curling and twisting, as if performing a ritual of its own. It is a primal call, one that has echoed through the ages. From the first spark struck by our ancestors to the modern-day grill, fire has always been a beacon, drawing us closer. We gather around the warm glow of the grill, not just for sustenance, but for connection. The fire becomes a centerpiece, a silent storyteller, weaving tales of unity and shared experiences. A large fish, glistening and ready, awaits its fiery destiny. Its scales shimmer like jewels, reflecting the light of the flames. It is a moment of transformation where raw becomes refined. This is not just cooking, it is a celebration of flavors, of traditions, and of the simple joy of creating something extraordinary from the ordinary. It is a connection to our ancestors, a bridge to the past. Each crackle of the fire, each wisp of smoke is a reminder of the ingenuity and resilience of those who came before us. Grilling a big fish over charcoal is an art form. It requires precision, care, and an understanding of the delicate balance between heat and time. It is a delicate dance between fire and flesh, where every flicker of flame and every glowing ember plays its part in the symphony of cooking. The charcoal, glowing with intense heat, kisses the fish, imparting a smoky essence that cannot be replicated. It is a process of alchemy, turning the raw into the sublime. It unlocks a symphony of flavors, each note harmonizing with the next. The aroma rises, teasing the senses and promising a taste that lingers long after the meal is done. The skin crisps, the flesh flakes, and the aroma fills the air. It is a sensory experience, a moment where sight, smell, and taste converge in perfect harmony. This is not the quick sizzle of a small fish, hurried and fleeting. It is something more profound, more deliberate. This is a slow, deliberate process, one that demands attention and care. It is a ritual, a dance of patience and precision. It demands patience and respect, a willingness to let the fire and the fish tell their story in their own time. But the reward is a meal that transcends the ordinary. It is a culmination of effort, a testament to the art of grilling, and a celebration of the senses. It is a feast for the senses, a moment where taste, aroma, and texture come together to create something truly unforgettable. It's a primal memory rekindled, a connection to the fire that has always been at the heart of humanity's story. The charcoal symphony plays on, timeless and eternal. Why does charcoal grilling make fish taste so extraordinary? The answer lies in the science of fire and flavor. Charcoal, when heated, produces a unique kind of heat. It's different from gas or electric grills.
As the charcoal burns, it breaks down wood into flavorful compounds. These compounds, carried on plumes of smoke, infuse the fish. They create a complex tapestry of smoky, savory, and slightly sweet notes. This is the magic of Maillard reactions. The Maillard reaction is a chemical transformation. It happens when sugars and amino acids in the fish react to heat. This reaction creates hundreds of new flavor compounds. It gives grilled food that irresistible browned crust and deep, savory flavor.
Grilling fish over charcoal is a practice as old as time itself. Across the globe, cultures have woven this culinary tradition into the fabric of their heritage. Each region has its own unique spin, its own secret ingredient, its own story to tell.
In Japan, chefs revere binchotan charcoal. It is a prized hardwood charcoal known for its clean, intense heat. They use it to grill delicate fish like sea bream and yellowtail.
In Greece, fishermen grill their catch right on the beach. They season it simply with lemon, oregano, and a drizzle of olive oil. In Argentina, grilling a whole fish on an asador is a national pastime. They cook it low and slow, basting it with chimichurri sauce. Choosing your champion, selecting the perfect fish, is where our journey truly begins. This is the moment where you set the stage for a culinary masterpiece. The fish you choose will determine not just the flavor, but the texture, the aroma, and the overall experience of your dish. It's not just about picking any fish. It's about finding the one that will shine on the grill and make your meal unforgettable. The star of our charcoal show is, of course, the fish itself. Treat it like royalty because it truly is the centerpiece of your grilling adventure. A well-chosen fish can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary.
But not all fish are created equal when it comes to grilling. Some fish are delicate and flaky, better suited for other cooking methods, while others are robust and firm, perfect for the high heat of a grill. Knowing the difference is crucial. Selecting the right fish is paramount to achieving charcoal grilled greatness, my friends. It's about finding that perfect balance of flavor, texture, and grillability. A fish that holds up to the heat while delivering a burst of flavor with every bite.
Look for firm-fleshed fish that can withstand the heat of the grill. These are the champions of the grilling world, the ones that won't crumble under pressure. Firm fish ensures that your grilling experience is smooth and your presentation flawless. Salmon, tuna, swordfish, snapper, and sea bass are all excellent choices. These fish are not only firm but also rich in flavor, making them ideal for grilling. Their natural oils enhance the taste and keep them moist, even over an open flame.
These fish, they won't fall apart easily. Their sturdy texture makes them easy to handle on the grill, giving you confidence as you cook. No more worrying about pieces breaking off and falling into the fire. Plus, they have enough fat content to remain moist and flavorful throughout the grilling process. The natural oils in these fish not only prevent them from drying out, but also add a rich buttery taste that pairs beautifully with marinades and seasonings.
When selecting your fish, freshness is key. A fresh fish is the foundation of a great dish. It ensures that the flavors are vibrant and the texture is just right. Freshness can make or break your grilling experience. Look for clear, bright eyes, shiny skin, and a fresh sea-like aroma. These are the hallmarks of a fresh fish. A dull appearance or a strong fishy smell is a red flag that the fish is past its prime.
Avoid fish that looks dull, smells fishy, or feels slimy to the touch. These are signs of poor quality and can lead to a disappointing meal. Always trust your senses when selecting fish. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. A well-chosen fish is the first step to a grilling experience that will leave you and your guests smiling with every bite.
The ritual begins, preparing the fish. Now that we have our champion, it's time to prepare it for its fiery encounter. Proper preparation is crucial for even cooking and optimal flavor.
Start by cleaning the fish thoroughly. Remove the scales, guts, and any residual bloodline.
Then pat the fish dry with paper towels. This simple step will help the skin crisp up nicely on the grill.
Next, score the skin of the fish. Use a sharp knife to make shallow cuts across the flesh.
These cuts will help the heat penetrate the fish evenly. They'll also prevent the skin from shrinking and curling on the grill.
Preparation, my friends, is half the battle. A little effort here, and you'll see the magic later.
The heart of the matter, building the charcoal bed. The heart of any charcoal grilling operation is, of course, the charcoal bed itself. It's the foundation upon which all great grilling adventures are built. Without a well-prepared charcoal bed, even the finest ingredients can fall short of their potential. This is where the magic begins, where raw heat transforms into culinary artistry.
It's the fiery stage upon which our fish will perform its culinary dance. Building a proper charcoal bed is an art in itself, honed through practice and patience. The arrangement of the charcoal determines the heat distribution, which in turn affects the flavor and texture of the food. A well-constructed charcoal bed ensures even cooking and allows for better control over the grilling process. It's not just about lighting a fire, it's about creating the perfect environment for your ingredients to shine.
Begin by investing in a chimney starter. It's a simple yet ingenious contraption that makes lighting charcoal a breeze. This tool eliminates the need for lighter fluid, which can impart unwanted flavors to your food. The chimney starter is designed to create a concentrated heat source, ensuring that your charcoal lights evenly and efficiently. It's a must-have for anyone serious about grilling.
Fill the chimney starter with charcoal and ignite it using newspaper or fire starters. The process is straightforward. Place the newspaper at the bottom, fill the top with charcoal, and light the paper. Within minutes, you'll see the charcoal begin to catch fire, glowing with the promise of a perfect grilling session. This step is crucial for achieving a consistent and reliable heat source.
Once the charcoal is ashed over and glowing red, it's time to build the bed. This is the moment when the raw energy of the fire is harnessed and directed. The ashed over charcoal indicates that it's ready to provide steady, even heat. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation. This is the power that will bring your culinary creations to life.
Arrange the charcoal in a 2-zone fire. Pile most of the charcoal on one side of the grill, leaving the other side relatively empty. This setup is essential for achieving versatility in your cooking. The hot side is perfect for searing, creating those beautiful grill marks and locking in juices, while the cooler side allows for gentle cooking, preventing overcooking or burning. It's a simple yet effective technique that every griller should master.
This setup creates a hot side for searing and a cooler side for gentle cooking. It's all about control and precision. By mastering the 2-zone fire, you gain the ability to cook a variety of foods simultaneously, each at its ideal temperature. This level of control is what separates a good grilling experience from a truly exceptional one.
And there you have it, the foundation for grilling perfection. With a well-prepared charcoal bed, you're ready to take on any recipe with confidence. Remember, the key to great grilling lies in preparation, patience, and a touch of creativity. So, fire up that grill and let the magic begin.